So as you can see, I'm on the home page. I can browse different hero banners, then I could click on them. I have different smartphones, deal of the day, deal of the week, wish list. Okay, let's try to order a new phone. So we have the pictures, the colors, the capacity, different description, long, short. Let's order some other services, lifetime care. Let's add our address to calculate the shipping costs, the whole total, agree to conditions, order, let's pay by bank transfer, upload my proof. I can check my shipment status. I can browse all the details and I can cancel my order within 14 days easily. Then what I can do, I can go and look at my existing orders. So this is my existing order. I can do some other things. For example, I can sell my device. This is my device, Apple, unlocked. What is the condition of the screen? What is the condition of the side of the product? All the functions are working, yes. This is an estimate. How do I want to receive money? This is my IBAN, please send my money here. I accept, and Beneko gives me the address where to ship the device. Or I can have a look. For example, I need to repair my device. So this is my device. Let's say I need a better replacement. I go there. I have different options, cheaper or more expensive battery. Then next steps, permission. Can they see my location? Yes. So on Google Maps, we find the repair shops that we work together. You can click and see their address and call them, or you can cancel. What else? I need a SIM card. These are different plans what we have available. You can go on the merchant's website, or you can also, let's say I want to buy a roaming plan, eSIM, different countries. Again, select. I can buy the SIM card right inside the app, the eSIM, pay by credit card, add my payment methods, thank you, order, and the QR code, the eSIM profile comes in my mailbox. I can chat, see, look my notifications. I can look at my profile. I can change my different settings. And yeah, I can buy different accessories, read about the company.